Hello guys, Universe Bella here, and today I'm going to show you how you can make your very own Minecraft server and how you add plugins to it. So, without further ado, let's begin. Okay, we will start off by making a new folder. Just right click at your screen and go down to New and Folder. You can name this folder whatever you want, it doesn't matter, but I'm just going to name it server to keep it organized. So, then we're going to open up our web browser and search at getspigot.org. And then you're going to click at the first link. I will also link this page. I will also leave a link to this page down in the description to you guys, so you can easily click at that and just come to this page. So here you're going to choose which version you want your server to be in, and have in mind you don't choose one of the Spigot versions, or it won't work. You need to choose one of the Craft.bat versions. So, after you have chosen one of the Craft.bat versions, you're going to click at download jar and wait for it to download and click keep. I'm just going to minimize this window, and to find the file you're going to open up your server folder and go down to downloads and easily just drag the Craft.bat file we have downloaded into your server folder, and then you're going to open up your server folder again, and now we're going to rename the file we have downloaded. Just rename this to Craft.bat. Just get rid of the version number and just leave it as Craft.bat. And now we're going to make a text document. So just right click inside the server folder and go down to new and text document. So you don't need to change this name, just leave it as the default name. We're going to get rid of the text document in a while, so just leave it at default and open up the text document and paste this in. I'm going to leave this be down in the description so you can just easily go there and copy and paste it from there. So after you have copy and pasted it into your text document, you're going to get rid of Minecraft_server. Get rid of Minecraft_server. Leave the spaces and everything, and just get rid of Minecraft_server. And you are going to type Craft.bat instead of Minecraft_server. This and this is going to match at the name. The name has to be the same. If it isn't the same, you will have a problem. Then the server won't start, and yeah, it will just be problems. So, file and save as, and the file type is all files, so that's very important. And you can rename the file to Start.bat. You need to have the .bat at the end, or the server won't start. And save, and you can just exit out of this like that. And now we're going to delete the text document and start our server. Click at the start file we have made, and it will shut down in a second. There, and 3 new files have been created. So the reason that the server haven't started and the window just shut down is because we have to accept the ULA. So change false to true to accept the ULA, and go to file and save, and just X out of this, and now you can start up your server again, and it will work this time. You will probably get a lot of errors, but just ignore them. It will be errors the first time you start up a server, but when you stop the server and start it up again, it will be no errors. So when the server is finished, we are going is the server finished? Yeah, okay. I'm now going to show you how you can add plugins to your server. So first off, we are going to stop our server, and this is very important. You need to type stop inside the console. If you don't type stop in the console and just X out of the window, you will break the whole server. It's serious. You will break the whole server and do all the stuff again. But remember to type stop in the console to stop the server. So now I'm going to show you how you can add plugins to your server. So let's say I want world edit at my server. So what I'm going to do, first off, you need to find your server. So I'm just going to open up my browser and search at Google, and I'm going to search at world edit download. So yeah, world edit download like this, and I'm just going to click at the first link. Done, and now we are at Becket's site. So here we'll see a lot of tutorials and some comments to the plugin, and yeah, some help for you if you don't know the world edit plugin. So click download at the right, and download again to actually download the file, and click, of course you need to click keep. So I want world edit at my server. So after we have installed the world edit plugin, we need to go to the download section, and we can also open up our server and go into the plugins folder, and we're just going to drag the world edit file we have downloaded into our plugin folder, and just exit out these windows and open up our server again, and now we're going to start our server. So now we are going to start it, yeah, like this, and then yeah. So now the server is started, and as you probably not see, but if you see it, yeah, it says world edit successfully enabled. Yeah, enabled world edit. So how to connect to our server, I will show it now, but you need to, one thing you need to know is that your Minecraft version you're playing in have to be the same as your server version. If it isn't, it won't work. So if you have the right version and you want to connect to your server, you're just going down to multiplayer and direct connection or direct connect, and you are going to type local host as server address and click join server. And now we're going to join our server, as you will see here, and in the console you will see VACT10 have successfully, or VACT10 have joined the server, and as you see it runs smoothly and no problems. And yeah, now we have your very own Minecraft server, but you don't have any permissions, so you need to op yourself. And how you do that is go inside your console and type op space and your username. My username is vact10, so I'm typing vact10 and press enter, and now it says server opt vact10. So now I have permissions to do everything at my server. If you were wondering, OP stands for operator and means that you have permission to everything, as I said. And yeah, you can almost say it's the only rank, but we did add a plugin to our server, and I'm going to show you how you can find the plugin. If no, what? No, that's not the slash. No, there we go. I'm missing a different keyboard, so but type /pl and you will get a little menu that says all the plugins you have at your server, and I have currently just one plugin, and that's World Edit, as you see. But if you enjoy the video, leave a like, and if you get some trouble or problems, write a comment and I will look at it, and I will make probably a video on how to fix the problem. And yeah, thanks for watching and goodbye.